Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to create second account on Instagram or create another account on Instagram. So, do you want to create a new Instagram account while connecting to your current one? One for business and one for yourself? While Instagram is an increasingly used social media app, having one profile is not enough for its users. There could be many reasons you might want to have second or even more accounts on Instagram. So in this video, we'll show you how to create another Instagram account on your phone. It's very simple. So you can open your Instagram. After that, you can look out from your current Instagram account. You can click on your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down. You can add account. You don't need to look out, so you can just add account. And you can choose on create new account because we want to create a new one. Now you can create the username. Like this, for example. Now, after that, after you create your username, you can tap on next. You can share login in your account center in here if you want to. You can, so this account in this account center will be able to log in to another one. Adding account to your account center enables connected experiences across account to make it easier to do things such as share stories and post and login with Facebook or Instagram. If you want to share logins info your Instagram, your new Instagram account with your first account, you can just tap on continue. But if you want to create this password instead, you can just choose on create password instead. But I prefer this one to share login in your account center. You can just tap on continue. So here's, you can allow the following in here. You can tap on allow and continue. So now you can complete sign up. All we need to do now is complete the sign up, like add the email address or phone number to your account. You can sync your account with your friends and contact, but I will just skip this tab. Now you can add pictures as your profile on Instagram. I will just this picture, tap on done. So here's your profile picture. You can also share this picture as your post on Instagram. Tap on next. So here's your account. Next time you log in into using this phone, you can just tap your profile picture. Instead of tapping all of your login info, you can just tap on OK. You can try the following 5 people on your new account Instagram. But I will just skip this tab. Skip. So here's your new Instagram account. You can allow all the cookies. It's very simple, right? So that is, if you want to change to your another account, you can just tap and hold on your profile on the bottom right here. You can choose on your Instagram that you want to open. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create another Instagram account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.